Traders, welcome back to another episode. Today we are looking at gold on the 5 minutes time frame. Now I need you to look at something here, guys. You can see that this was the first entry right here, right? And we can see that price actually did go up and hitting my stop loss, right? So it's not always a smooth sailing, so we do take losses sometimes. Price is back inside the range, right? So now I am going to take my chances, right? I am going to take my chances and I'm going to place a sell position. My target is going to be TP1 here. This is our TP1, and down here, this is TP2, right? So I'm going to enter a sell position and I'm going to take my profit at TP1, and the second target is going to be TP2. But now the first target is TP1, and I always advise you guys to always take your money at TP1. So when price reach TP1, always please just take your money and you're gonna look for another opportunity again, right? So but for now our target is TP1, right? So for now we're targeting TP1. So this is what we have. So let's go over to the MT5 and place our sell positions. All right, traders, this is my MT5 and we're gonna go ahead and place a sell position. We're gonna go ahead and place a sell position. That is the first one. Let's do another one. 2, 3. Actually, no, let's do 3. Let us do 3. And my stop loss is going to be, let's say above these. Okay, somewhere around there. Because this is a big lot size, right? Let's copy this, paste it on the other trades. Modify. Right, so that is our stop loss right there. And now we need to set our TP. And our TP is going to be at 674. 674. Right, so this is our TP right there. This is where we are going to take our TP1. Currently we are at a profit of 300, 400, somewhere around there. Now everything is looking good. Now remember guys, we did take a loss initially first, right? We don't always get the perfect setups, but the concept is still the same. The concept is still the same. We want to see price pushing above or below our candle, taking out the liquidity, and then we are going to look for buying or selling opportunities, right? Now in today's trade we are looking for selling opportunities, right? Looking for selling opportunities, and this is going to be our TP1. So when price reach our TP1, I am going to close and I'm gonna look for another opportunity again, right? Traders, quick update. Price is moving nicely to the downside. This is exactly what we want to see. Oh my gosh, okay. We're at 6,000 rands now. What's happening now? 5,000. Okay, let's see. In Almaga Gold, price looks bearish. This is still going to continue going down, and we are going to hold. I think we need to do this. Let's move our stop loss. Right. Let's do this. $8,000. 8,000 rands. 8,000 rands. Phew. I know this is too much, man. I think I need to close this. This is too much. I need to close. I always tell people that the market is a place where you come in, take your money, and leave. So I think this is the time. This is now the time for me to leave. This is the time for me to leave, guys. Yo. Nah, this is the time for me to leave, guys. Can we get to 10K? Maybe. You know what? If we get to 10K, I'm closing. If we get to 10K, I am closing. If we get to 10K, I am closing. Let's see on the 1 minute. This is what we have here. You know what? Let's wait for another candle to open, and then we'll decide from there. If price continues to go up, we are going to close. I think even if we close at 5,000 rands, that is still a lot of money, guys. That is still a lot of money. So 2 minutes left. So let us give it 2 minutes and see exactly what is going to happen here. All right, traders. So now our candle, we see that the next candle is opened. So this is going to be our deciding candle. This is going to be our deciding candle. We want to see if price is going to continue going down or if price is going to reverse from here, right? Now we are at 9,000 rands, 9.5. Remember I said at 10,000 rands, we are closing. At 10,000 rands, we are closing, guys. We are closing 9.9, 10,000. We hit 10,000, guys. We hit 10,000. I think we need to close right now. Okay. We're getting nice push. We're getting some beautiful push. Okay. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. You're just there. Come on, gold. We're close to hitting our TP1. We are close to hitting our TP1. Okay. You know what? This is crazy. You see? All right. You know what? Let's take this. Let's take this and leave. Let's take this and leave. Let's take this and leave, guys. Hey. You know what? Sometimes, you know what? Just take what you can. Take what you can and leave. And this is exactly what I did. I took what I can, right? So, yeah, the balance is now at 20K. Now, this was a beautiful trade, guys. This was a beautiful trade.